Wolves, jackals, and wild dogs are the closest relatives of our beloved domesticated dogs. All of them belong to a large group of animals known as canids, which can be found in almost every ecosystem across the planet. These canids are divided into three major groups: wolf-like canines, fox-like canines, and South American canines. In this guide, we'll take a quick look at these groups and explore some of the most fascinating wild dog species. Wolf-like canines. Wolf-like canines belong to a subgroup that includes wolves, jackals, and most wild dogs. They are widely distributed across North America, Europe, Asia, and Africa. The gray wolf is the closest relative of the domestic dog and also the largest member of the canine family, weighing up to around 65 kilograms. Wolves are highly social animals that live in structured family groups called packs. These packs are led by a dominant male and female and operate under a strict hierarchy. Their teamwork gives them a huge advantage when hunting. Wolves can track prey such as moose for long distances, sometimes up to 60 kilometers, waiting patiently until the animal becomes exhausted. There are over 30 subspecies of wolves, including the Arctic wolf and the Himalayan wolf. The dingo. The dingo is a unique wild dog found only in Australia. Scientists still debate whether it is a subspecies of wolves, domestic dogs, or a completely separate species. Dingoes usually have a reddish-brown coat, though they can also be black or white. Like wolves, they are territorial and hunt in groups, feeding on animals such as kangaroos, but often relying on smaller prey like rabbits. The coyote. Coyotes are smaller relatives of wolves, weighing up to about 20 kilograms. They are found throughout North and Central America, from Canada all the way to Panama. They are extremely adaptable, living in deserts, grasslands, and even mountainous regions. Coyotes are also known for their wide range of vocal sounds, which they use to communicate, warn others, and stay connected with their pack. African golden wolf. The African golden wolf was once thought to be a type of jackal, but recent studies show it is more closely related to wolves and coyotes. Unlike typical wolves, they usually live in smaller family units rather than large packs. They hunt small mammals and sometimes work together to isolate young animals like gazelles. Ethiopian wolf. The Ethiopian wolf is one of the rarest canines on Earth, with only a few hundred individuals left in the wild. They live in the high-altitude grasslands of Ethiopia and mainly feed on rodents. These wolves are active during the day and often live in packs, similar to gray wolves. Conservation efforts are currently helping to protect this endangered species. Golden jackal. The golden jackal is widely distributed across Europe, the Middle East, and South Asia. Despite its name, it is not closely related to other jackal species. It is an omnivore, feeding on both animals and plants. Golden jackals are opportunistic and often scavenge leftovers from larger predators like tigers and wolves. Dholes are highly social animals found across Asia. They have a reddish coat and black-tipped tails and can form large packs of up to 40 members. They live in forests and often compete with big predators like tigers and leopards. Their teamwork makes them highly effective hunters. African wild dog. The African wild dog is one of the most colorful canines, with a coat made up of black, white, and tan patches. They are strong, social hunters that live in packs. Interestingly, in this species, females leave their birth packs to join new ones, which helps prevent inbreeding. Sadly, they are endangered, with fewer than 6,000 left in the wild. Jackals. There are two more jackal species worth mentioning. The side-striped jackal, known for the stripe along its body, feeds on small animals and fruits. The black-backed jackal has a distinctive dark back and is a skilled hunter and scavenger. Both are found across sub-Saharan Africa. South American canines. This group includes unique species found only in South America. The maned wolf is the largest among them, with long legs and a fox-like appearance. Unlike most canines, it prefers a solitary lifestyle and eats a mix of animals and plants, especially a fruit known as the wolf apple. The bush dog is small, stocky, and hunts in packs. Despite its size, it can take down surprisingly large prey. Another rare species is the short-eared dog, which remains one of the least understood canines. Fox-like canines. This group mainly includes foxes, but also features racoon dogs. Racoon dogs are not actually related to raccoons, despite their appearance. They are omnivores and live in cold regions of Asia and Europe. The common raccoon dog has spread into Europe, where it is considered invasive. Meanwhile, in Japan, a similar species known as the tanuki is seen as a playful and mythical creature in local culture. This diverse family of canines shows just how adaptable and fascinating wild dogs truly are, from the powerful wolf to the elusive forest dwellers of South America.